Today is March 24th, and in our devotional, today it says, Delight in the Lord. Zephaniah chapter 3, verse 17. The Lord your God is with you, the mighty warrior who saves you. He will take great delight in you. In his love, he will no longer rebuke you, but will rejoice over you with singing. Psalms chapter 149, verse 4. The Lord takes delight in his people. He crowns the humble with victory. Psalm chapter 37, verse 23. The Lord directs the steps of the godly. He delights in every detail of their lives. Psalm chapter 147, verse 11. The Lord's delight is in those who fear him, those who put their hope in his unfailing love. Psalm chapter 18, verse 18 and 19. I was in distress, but the Lord supported me. He led me to a place of safety. He rescued me because he delights in me. Proverbs chapter 3, verse 12. The Lord corrects those he loves, just as a father corrects a child in whom he delights. Proverbs chapter 12, verse 22. The Lord detests lying lips, but he delights in people who are trustworthy. Proverbs chapter 15, verse 8. The Lord delights in the prayers of the upright. And at the bottom it says, how would you describe God to someone who doesn't know him? Perhaps as your Father, the present, creator, conqueror, shelter, and light? Zephaniah said that God takes great delight in you. He is the God who finds joy in his creation. He is the source of joy, and therefore he plants his seed of joy through the fruit of the Spirit in you. Joy is not only a gift, it is a divine characteristic. So how would you describe the Lord? He's just my everything. I mean, how else could you describe him? He's everything. He's the love of my life. He's just everything. I'm so thankful that he is a part of my life and I'm making part of my life. Remember, guys, it's a relationship with him. A relationship. Think about that. Talk to him. He loves you all very much. He just wants you to talk to him. I love you guys. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. The link is in the description. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys. Have a very blessed day.